And while there were a few textures that got changed in the updates following, it was in the 1.14 texture update that most of our textures got a huge rework when they were done by Jappa, which makes some comparisons definitely hard to look at, and thankfully Netherrack looks like this instead of this mess. Probably one of the biggest changes in this update is also quite likely to go underappreciated, because for so long, Minecraft has run off the Java 8 release from back in 2014, and to put that in perspective, we're now on Java 16 for the standard version. So thankfully, 1.17 allows us to run the game in the new version, which will not only help with performance, but also help the modding community use some more modern features. Minecraft's clouds don't get a lot of love, and by this point, many of us have turned them off in the settings, but part of that is because these exist so low within the world, and thankfully, along with the new height to our worlds, these now can float at a Y level of 192 instead of 128 like before. Proper capitalization clearly means a lot to me. I mean, it's the reason why I'm skip the tutorial and not skip the tutorial. So fortunately, 1.16 proved Mojang is also on that same page. Now, when you're editing a sign, it says edit sign message with consistent capitalization, which I've gotta say, looks quite a bit nicer. Enderman and water don't mix. Then it makes sense that since 1.11